This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Erik Lundeen. Discover coastal tranquility with this large, level building site. Featuring community beach access and panoramic vistas. With water, sewer, and power available in the street, this expansive property is perfect for your dream home or multifamily residence. Embrace this opportunity to create something extraordinary in this idyllic coastal setting. For more information, review the details below or contact Erik Lundeen at 360-970-4090.